horsepower focus comes by for coilover.
There's the intro right there.
That's the thumbnail right there, dude.
Slowest focus in Houston is getting some coils today. Alright guys, so we're installing some BC Racing coilovers into Michael's Focus so he can finally get rid of his monster truck status. And then I'll be the next one because I'm fucking...
I could be a low boy, bro.
Stock as shit, yeah, exactly. Look at these fancy motherfuckers. Yeah. Fucking stock Focus. I think it had red calipers or nothing, dude. What was this, an SE?
It's an SE, bro, with an ST body conversion.
Alright guys, so you're gonna start by taking off the fucking cow. It's gonna have these T30 on the very outside. And the center will be...
The cow?
Here. Yeah, it's called the wiper cow.
The cow, dude.
C-O-W-L. It's like cow with an L at the end, cow. And then now we gotta take off the wipers. Not 100% necessary, but it does make it easier so you're not just lifting this up and bending this, so. Cracked ass windshield.
Yeah.
Fucking mint. I wonder how that happened. How'd that happen?
I don't know, dude. Some fucking piece of shit.
Hey guys, so you get the wipers off. They were a 15. And then you're gonna get this stupid piece of plastic off, and you're gonna throw it in the trash. No, I'm just kidding. The cow. And then you're gonna take off this piece, which is held on by these two 10mm bolts.
10mm?
Yeah, those are 10s. And that's all so you can get to the 3 top hat bolts here, here, and here. I thought you had a strut bar for some reason.
Bro, where's your 10mm?
You just had it. It was on there when you picked it up. Here.
Oh. I didn't know. I didn't check. No, I don't have a strut bar, but you already know the story on that. I'm gonna be getting one.
TB or what?
Massive.
Massive?
Yeah.
How big is it?
Oh, fuck. They're massive, daddy.
God damn. Now we just need Jonathan to show up. Maybe we can make a TikTok for the boys.
But yeah, I'm gonna get the massive one. I'm gonna get the massive rear. There's one that goes in the trunk.
Freaking massive.
I think you've seen it. Jared has it.
Yeah. Oh, well, I've seen the one in the rear. He sold it to Taylor. Taylor fucking has it now.
I'm gonna get the one for the...
If you're watching this, Taylor, fuck you. No, I'm just kidding. I love you.
I'm gonna get the one for the strut tower and then the one for the back. I get...
Exactly, yeah. Alright, guys. So, this is going to sit on here like this. And then you're going to have your sway bar end link connect to it, but Michael's is bad.
Oh, fuck.
It just pops in and out. So in order to get that out, you got to put a wrench on the back side, hold it, and then have somebody turn it, and it was a 15. Once that's off, we can now move over here to these brackets, get off the brake line with the 10mm. And then you're going to have the one bolt back here, which I believe to be a 17. And then the 3 top ones. And then you should, in theory, be able to get out the fucking whole assembly. The front are a little bit of a bitch. You got to step on it and really get them to pry out. But yeah, we're going to remove the rest of this shit and try to get this hell out of here before Jonathan gets here. Fucking bumblebee, bro. Guys, brake line is held on by an 8mm because, you know, Ford likes to be difficult with all these different fucking size fucking bolts.
I hate it, bro.
They hate us because they ain't us. Are you saying anus?
We're gonna, is the BC thing, you should have a little bracket for this, right?
Alright, so that is a 16. Yeah, it's a tight boy. I might need to bring up my 1/2 inch. You just want to hit that shit with the impact? I got an impact for a reason. Hey, don't hurry back. The trick I'm gonna show y'all is gonna save y'all so much motherfucking time. So once you get this bolt out back here, you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it in this side. And you'll notice how this is my other, for my Prelude. This is a coilover adjuster thing, but it's a slim piece of metal. And you're gonna put it in between there, and then you're gonna thread that bolt in until it hits it. And then you're gonna either put your impact or your wrench on here. And what that's gonna do is it's going to push on this, and it's gonna spread open this back here, and that'll help your strut come out. Now it's not going to hurt anything because once you put this back in, obviously it's going to pinch back together, but this is going to help separate about 1/2 inch, and this will, I'm telling you, you'll thank me later because this is going to make it so much easier for this to slide out, like 10 times easier for this to slide out. If not, you're going to be fighting this motherfucker all day and hammering on it and stuff. So listen to this trick. Let me get my socket real quick. Show y'all. What we're gonna do here is, I said we're just gonna tighten it into the metal, and god damn, this is hard to do with one hand. What's up? You found it. Oh, you got cute pants. And you'll actually see, right here, you can see it opening up.
New pants.
So these can slide out. What are you doing, princess?
Nothing. Mommy just say you were doing the work, but you say I was checking you.
Oh, you said you're gonna come check on me?
Yeah, Mommy just say you were doing the work.
Alright, that should be good enough. You'll see that we actually got a good gap in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray just a little bit of WD-40. Let it soak down in there. Just help loosen up any grime and shit that's down in there. Do what? Talk shit. Say it louder.
Just the website. I found them though, bro. They're $97. It's not bad.
No, that's not bad. Alright, so let me loosen this up. But like I said, guys, this is going to put that gap there, so when we undo those top ones, this part's going to slide out so much easier. Now what we're going to do is remove these top 3 13s, and then we're going to step on this, and in all theory, should just come right out, huh? What you think? You think we're going to fight with it?
What is this, bro?
Probably.
Billet CG Pony parts, man?
Yeah, this is CJ Pony. We'll be on the road in no time, guys. 6 hours later, you're screaming at yourself in your garage. Alright, guys, this is what I'm talking about. You're still going to need to push on it, and you're going to still need to pry that open. But I'm telling you, it comes out so fucking easy. Because if not, you will fight that for hours. If you don't believe me, look on YouTube and look at other people trying to install coilovers, and you'll see exactly what the fuck I'm talking about. So yeah, so now that's out. We're gonna put the BC Racing one in now. Pretty, and they come labeled. So front left, FL right here. That's gonna be your driver's side. So the way a car works is obviously left-hand drive. You're sitting in it, left hand, right hand. So front left, right there. Oh yeah. And BC even did something nice. You'll see that it has one longer bolt, and that's a guided bolt. So you stick that one in there, and the other two will line up. So nice and easy. I think our buddy's close. Alright, guys. Boom. One corner on. All those up tight up top. Torque specs, I don't know. Fucking tight.
48.9 pounds.
49.167. Really, you just kind of go as tight as you can, without breaking the fucking bolts, obviously. But don't go, obviously, over too tight. And then, yeah, you're going to want to make sure that that's a good amount of fucking tight there. So everything's tight. You know, you can just fucking... You don't need that shit no more. And yeah, one done. 3 more to go. What the hell's Team Nobody? Team Nobody? He's got to pee, guys. I'm just going to show you how to do one side. I'll show you how to do the front. Now we're going to do the rear. And up here you'll notice you have 213. And then down here is going to be a 14 here at the base. Get all that off. Your strut will come out. And then BC sends, where'd you put that strut? Oh, right here. BC sends you this. With the dampener, you're going to adjust that while it's out because it's easier. So hard and soft. I put it all the way to hard, and he can adjust it from there. Because, you know, race car, you want it stiff, boy. And, yeah.
I was like, why would they give us one for the front but not for the rear?
Why would they do this? Alright guys, the rear is damn near installed. We're just got to tighten shit up. He wanted it to be a low boy, so we maxed everything out in the rear.
Yeah, there's no thread on there. I'm glad that you got yours on there. Then I can...
And I'm sorry I didn't film this process, but in there.
We can do it on the other side.
Yeah, we'll do it on the other side for him. Show him the bolt I removed instead of the sway bar end link like John did. And you really undid your sway bar end link? And then what?
You just dropped it. Shit, do it your way. My way is pointless. You did it better.
Alright guys, so you're going to remove obviously the 15 back here and the 213s up there. And then I undo the bolt right here at the lower control arm. And what that does is this will slide down and you can get that spring out. He said he did the sway bar, which...
Don't do it the way I did it.
This way can be a bit difficult if you don't have an extra set of hands or another jack laying around, but it works very well if you have an extra set of hands. So yeah. What up, dude?
He said that it goes on the coils and the back on the springs.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Just let him know, bro.
No, tell him thank you. We didn't know that.
Well, we didn't know.
I mean, that's where it goes, but it obviously doesn't fit, so you don't need it.
Bro, little...
Almost a low boy.
Before and after action?
He's got to get front sway bar end links because them hose are trash from the factory. And Ford puts this stupid bracket on here. This motherfucker. And then it's closed in, so you can't even use like an open-end wrench on it to turn it, because yeah.
Should we, would we be cool just leaving it like that?
Yeah.
I can tell them I'm going back to stock. Hold on.
And everything's back together, except for that one that doesn't want to go on. This one's not even on properly either. You probably got them swapped, bro. Yeah, they're backwards.
What do these even do?
They're backwards. Here, come over there.
Annoying.
What, dude? Watch this. It's gonna fit so much better now. Look at that. Oh my god. See?
There, bro? Whoa. Yeah.
He's pretty low now. We gotta adjust the front some more. But the back is maxed out. Hasn't even gone on a ride yet. Look how low this side is on the back. That side's settled, yeah, because we had it jacked up in the air. This side, so this side will settle around what that one is. Or just jump around in the back of your car real quick. Yeah.
That's 235 broken. I don't know what.
Dude, why do you have another fuel rail right here? What is this?
Huh?
What is this? Is that just for looks, bro? That's cool. It's cute.
Yeah.
That's cute. Cobe. Cobe's pretty cool. Fucking just painted a factory mount red. It's cute. Radium.
Radium. But the eyes.
Hey, look, he's got one of those little jumper boxes that makes his car fast.
Hell yeah.
You get those on eBay.
$20.
Little speed chips. Unlocks your full potential. But But just like CJ Pony says, be back on the road in no time, guys.
It only took us 30 minutes.
Yeah. This whole time lapse has only been 20 minutes. Do all 4 coilovers, bro.
Tell them, bro, you'll update them when we do the end links. And
Yeah, we got to do the front end links and adjust the fronts. So that'll be part 2. But for now, he's good. But the car's staying here because this front end link decided it didn't want to be a part of the fucking thing anymore. And it completely came separated. What do you think about that, bro?
I don't know, man.
Fucking Ford or what?
I think that when Travis stops being a pussy, and then we'll be able to bring a lot of focus content for you guys.
Nobody likes the focus content, dude. Nobody likes the focus content. Everyone likes the prelude content.
They have to see it first.
And even then, like, I don't even get that many views. Nobody likes me, but I do have 750 subscribers, which I reached yesterday, so that's pretty surprising.
Pop a bottle real quick.
Yep. Where's the chocolate milk? Pop the chocolate milk.
Oh.
Shit. Alright. Yeah. I know, right? Now I need to go low. Yeah, we do need to adjust the front, though, for sure. All up in my grass and shit. He's on E50, so it's a little cold outside. That's why it's idling that way. John's on the sand coils. Hey, you're pretty close to rubbing. Not that bad. And dude, now mine just looks stupid high. My car just looks like retardedly high. Y'all need to get on my driveway before I get embarrassed. My neighbor's gonna be like, damn, what a bitch.
Damn, you're not low. It looks like the same.
Looks the same, yeah. Alright guys, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And yeah. The boys, we'll be back for part 2 once we get the rest of the shit in from Panda. When they say that was gonna be in like a week and a half.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have another ST sitting in my driveway for like about a week and a half. Cool. My neighbors are gonna think I'm selling drugs or something. No, I'm just kidding. It's just a Focus. It's just a Focus, bro. It's just a Focus. All right, later, guys.